Harmonic balancer pulley back on, and the water pump pulley, and serpentine belt. You don't want these to be backing out, you know. Just prepping it up and then taking it over to install it all. Up here, when you're going to put your bolt to prevent cross threading, turn it backwards to the left until you feel it pop in, then turn to the right. That way you're not just taking an impact and trying to put it on. You can just strip stuff. I think I'll just use my little 3/8 impact actually. No, gate's 14. Send them all home. Try to do things in a star pattern. Torque sequence quick. Water pump. So we'll trade out this 14 for the 13. You know, got the time to try to do it right, you know.